Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. We have studied chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, but once again I want to repeat chapter number 4, the poem If, because it's very compulsory for all of you. And according to me and according to Rudyard Kipling, it is the roadmap for your life. So it's very compulsory to maintain all those parts which is already conveyed by Rudyard Kipling, and which kind of instructions he had given and he wanted to give to the a student, which kind of information you get through the poem If, we will have to understand and we will have to follow. So it's too important, and according to first stanza, at first I want to give you a message that you will have to keep patience and always trust yourself. Okay, always trust yourself whenever the people, the men doubt on you. And at that time, you will have to maintain the part of trust, and that means it means you will have to maintain the positiveness, because it will help you more and more whenever you will face like the circumstances. Okay, number 2, you will have to learn good habits. Through good habits, you can win any kind of race, and you can win the good things about the life, and you can get each and everything which is already present on in this earth and in this ground. So this one finally described by Rudyard Kipling in last stanza. According to second stanza, the poet wants to tell, it is necessary you should have dream, but you shouldn't become slave to the dreams. Okay, and through that stanza, the Rudyard Kipling wants to tell you, always you have to speak the truth, as we know that in each life's triumph and disaster will come, and we should savor both of them in same condition. Okay, because this is the part of the life. And at that time also, and in that period, the people, which kind of people? Dishonest people, that is knaves, known as knaves. Okay, make you full. Okay, so don't think about that, because you know very well you have given a lot of time, you have spent a lot of time to make something, but some years after it will be broken. So this was the time when you build up this kind of thing, but at present you are looking what you have built, what you have made, such kind of things will be broken. Okay, so always you should maintain the part of confidence, part of trust, part of courage, and all those will come from truth. And according to third example, third stanza, in your life you have to take a lot of risk. And suppose you have already defeated, then it's your job and it's your duty. You shouldn't share your loss in front of the people, because this one, the negative one, because people will become very happy. So according to the era, you can estimate which way is the best way for us. So always keep yourself cool and calm and try to understand the matter and try to solve it through your skills, through your intellect and through your thoughts. It's clear? So number 4 is very important. If you are maintain yourself through positiveness, then you are the winner, and neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you. That means neither foes means enemies, nor loving friends can hurt you. मतलब उनसे तुम्हें कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी. If all men count with you, but none too much. If you can fill the unforgiving minutes with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that is in it. अगर तुम 60 सेकेंड भी अगर नेगेटिव में नहीं डालते हो एंड यू आर अ पॉजिटिव student, then no one can protect to achieve the goal, because you are active and you are following the good circumstances and you are trying to get that. It is too necessary for the life of the student, and not only the student but also people of the world. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. According to Rudyard Kipling, and I am agree with the thought of Rudyard Kipling, so I mean to say, according to poet, if you are facing such kind of circumstances, such kind of instructions, that means no can and nobody will protect you to win the race, to win the battle, because each and everything is yours, which is already present on the earth. So that's the motive of the poet Rudyard Kipling, and this is positive thoughts which is already conveyed and refers to the students of class 7, and from here you can maintain yourself and you can get each and everything what you want in your life. So these are the basics factor, these are the basics conditions, and according to basic conditions you can learn a lot of things, because this is not a small thing. This is very big task, tough task, and if you want to win the battle, if you want to reach on top, then all those instructions which is already referred by Rudyard Kipling, you will have to maintain, and you will have to analyze, and you will have to do that. After that you are able to win the race, you are able to win the battle, and you can get each and everything what you want. It's so necessary, and try to maintain the part of success, and these are the pillars of yours, and you can use it, and through it you can get all possible things, and after that you will be a successful man, my son. And these are the lines, these are the instructions of Rudyard Kipling, and you will have to understand, because this is very interesting poem, and this is the roadmap of the student's life. Okay, so through roadmap you can estimate and you can analyze all those circumstances and all those problems you are facing or not. If you are facing with happiness, with pleasure, then no any problem will create in front of you, because you know very well how to handle it, how to handle the problem. If you are not going to handle the problem, then a lot of problem will be raised in your brain, in your mind, and I think sometimes after and some moments after you will lose your skills and you will be in great problem, and I think your life will be destroyed, your life will be spoiled. So try to imagine that fact, because it's a great thought which is already conveyed by the Rudyard Kipling, a wonderful poet, and I think you will have no any problems. Now, comprehension, choose the correct options. What do you think it means to walk with kings? 4 options are given and you have to solve it, because I have no any idea about it, you are doing or not. If you are not doing, that means you are not a good students, because you have no time to solve it, because it's too compulsory for all of us. Okay, next one, the 3 types. Number B is question answer. You will have to explain it near about 70 to 80 words. And number C is very, very important. And 4 questions are given, 1, 2, 3, 4. And through lining you will have to explain it, and these are the very, very important questions. So according to the lines, what is the thought of Rudyard Kipling, and which kind of benefit about the people, and which kind of allowance provided by Rudyard Kipling. According to the lines you will have to describe, and it should be near about 30 to 40 words, and after that your answer will be correct. And number D, think and answer what is the central theme of the poem. And I think you have no any doubt, you will have no any doubt in the theme of poem, but any kind of problem will raised in front of you, any kind of problem will be raised in front of you, then you can send the message and we shall try to solve that. And it's your job and duty how to express the answer according to the theme of the poem, and how to write and explain the question answer of these lessons, because these are the very, very important topic which you have already studied. So the question number D, you will have to mention all about 100 words, 100 to 20 words. After that your answer will be correct, because all those circumstances which is related and which is important for the poem, you will have to describe it, and without that your answer will be incomplete. And because this is the central theme of the poem, and I think you will able to express your view and express your thought according to the poem of Rudyard Kipling, If. And I think If will be the title of this poem. If means Yadi ya Agar. This is also the title of this poem. Okay, thanks. In next class, his first flight will be start.